I'm going to take you through a quick video of how to export and import notes into Reflect. So for the sake of this video, I'm going to use both the export and import within Reflect itself. And this is also a great tactic if you want to move notes back and forth between your different graphs here. So let's give it a try. I'm first going to go to the preferences page. So let me start from my daily notes here. This is my demo brain. I've got a bunch of mess of different notes in here from demo videos. But the good news is there's lots of backlinks and stuff. And that's what I want to demonstrate, is that those will all be saved when I do this. So I'm going to go click on my graph here, go to preferences, and then I can click on the graph, and you see here there's an import and an export section. So I'm first going to export my notes. I'm going to do that in the Reflect JSON, but you can choose your format here. So I'll click export, and it's going to pull up this page. I'm not going to rename it. I'm going to save it to downloads, and you can't see it off the screen record, but it did in fact export it. So to show you that you can do this from scratch, I'm going to create a new graph, and let's call it Sam's. I don't want to call it Sam's. I guess I don't have a playground yet. Okay, I'll do Sam's playground. And then I'll just make this a bit more friendly. All right, see if that works. Perfect, so I'll download that again. That's just the backup kit, recovery kit. So this is just like a test graph, so I don't actually need that. But if you are actually creating a new one, make sure you save that file somewhere safe in case you need to get back in. But now I have, just to show you, a completely, oops, that's the wrong one. That one's not blanked. Perfect. So now here I'm at the blank one. And, well, I guess it's not blank. This is just our onboarding note here. But everything else is pretty blank. These are just the notes that come pre-built within Reflect. So let's import the other notes I have. I'm going to go back to preferences, make sure I've got my new graph selected, and this time I'm going to import. So if I click select import files, make sure I select the brain import there, and it processed 196 notes, 0 efforts, 0 duplicates. So I'm going to start the import. And depending on how many notes you have, this might take a little bit of time, so I'm going to let this, oh, that was fast. I was going to let it run and come back, but there we go. So let's go see if it worked here. Beautiful. So now on the all notes page, you see all of these notes, and you can even see here that it copied over the daily notes with all the backlinks and stuff. So the Reflect migration works incredibly well. It will basically copy everything exactly as you have it. This will probably look weird because it's my demo. It actually looks better than I thought, but it will copy over your map because of all the backlinks and stuff. I say mine looks weird because this is not, again, this isn't a real graph or a real brain. It's just my demo video one, so I don't have very many notes. But that's how you migrate your notes. You can use this process no matter what format you are migrating them in. But again, it also works great if you're just trying to transfer notes from one graph in Reflect to the other.